Hey guys, what's up, down, and all around? I'm back with another vid, guys. So today we at Magic Kingdom, Disney World Magic Kingdom, of course, and we had a really nice time here. We actually walked around, tried food, and rode on a few rides, so that was really exciting for us. So we really did enjoy ourselves this day, and like I mentioned in my previous video, if you guys watched the one with the Hollywood Studios, the Disney My Experience app really helped out. I did utilize the Genie Plus, the free version, of course, and it really helped out. I mean, we had like picked out the rides and worked around the time that they had listed on there, and it worked really perfectly with my family. But we really had a really nice time in Magic Kingdom. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll pop back in and let y'all know exactly what we was doing throughout the day. First, we rode the Small World, which is a classic with my family. Anytime we go to Disney World, we hit this ride up first. It's like a tradition, as you could say. So my daughter, Ava, this is her first time on the ride, and she really enjoyed it. She really thought she was on, like, in the ride, not on it, in the ride. She thought she was one of the people dancing and saying it's a small world, so she really enjoyed herself on this ride, and I really love seeing my baby excited and interacting with it. It was really nice. So we end up riding Little Mermaid, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Space Mountain, Pirates, Haunted Mansion. We rode a lot. So we actually stayed there from like the time it started to the day that Magic Kingdom opened to the time they closed. I do want to let y'all know, if you do want to watch the fireworks, make sure y'all ask a cast team member ahead of time, because I made a rookie mistake and didn't ask and found out late, and it happened at 9 p.m. I thought it was like at 11 when the park closed, but rookie mistake. So make sure you guys ask the cast members or just check and see what time the fireworks start. Now I do want to include footage from my little brother's phone. It's not the best quality, but I thought it was real cute because that was my nephew's first time riding on a roller coaster, and I thought that was pretty cool.
Here we go.
Okay, so you know we ain't good in the neighborhood. My nephew Devin had the turkey leg from Liberty Square Market, and that was really good, he said. And then I had a pretzel, the Mickey's pretzel. It's a little bit dry, but it was good. It took care of what it needed to take care of at that moment. And then we went to the Plaza. We had reservations there, and that was really good. So when you guys go to the Plaza or any restaurant that's in Disney World, make sure you guys make your reservations ahead of time. I believe you can do it up to 60 days before you go visit Disney World. So make sure you guys book your reservations on my Disney app experience. So make sure you guys do that when you want to eat at any of the restaurants that's located in Disney Springs or Disney World. So I had the burger, and that burger was good. I mean, it had bacon, which I'm not a really big bacon eater. That's on my burger. Like, I like it separate, but it was good. The fries was good. The burger was delicious. So all in all, the trip was fabulous. Okay, I enjoyed myself. I definitely will be returning. I always go to Disney World when I have the extra cash, because you know, you guys, it's expensive, especially me coming from the Midwest, and I gotta carry a tribe with me anytime I travel. But I mean, definitely gonna come back. I enjoy the parades, I enjoy the scenery, the food. All in all, great experience. So great family vacation to take your kiddies throughout the year. And just make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and like always, you take care.